Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video and I'm so excited. Today we are going to be unboxing my brand new computer. Yes, I know I bought a new computer like 10 months ago, almost a year ago, but I've been having lots and lots of issues with that computer, mainly because of its age, and I kind of regret buying it. And just recently, last week, it stopped working in one aspect that I absolutely needed it to work. That was the Wi-Fi. It just would not connect anymore, and I don't know what happened. This component was too old. So I was planning to upgrade to a new computer on Black Friday, but I was like, I don't know if I can wait any longer. So I just bought this one off of eBay for $700, and I think I got a pretty good deal out of it. This is probably what I would have ended up paying anyways on Black Friday. So we good. And this was supposed to arrive a few days ago, but I think it got lost in the facility that it originated in, damn it. And they finally found it, and it got delivered today. And I've just been waiting like for hours for this. This supposedly needed a signature required, but it didn't. I didn't have to sign for anything, so we good. And now we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So this computer was said to be in brand new shape, or in brand new condition. Just the box was open. So the guy did a pretty good job at sealing it up, but freaking hell, it's quite a big box. I did not expect it to be this big. Here, let me bring my current computer real quick. See, I was expecting it to be some of the size of this, but I guess not. I think it's a little bit bigger, but quite the heavy packaging. But I've waited so long for this. Let's open it up. Quite heavy too. So, is there tape on this thing? I'm not sure. I can't really feel any tape, but yeah, there is not. So it's open box, but it's in brand new shape. Oh, okay, pretty nice presentation here. Maybe it's just quite wide. Oh, I can feel this thing is. Okay, what else? Oh, this must be the charging cable. So this thing doesn't have tape on it. Okay, this must be the. Oh my god. So this computer is the Lenovo Legion 5. This is the instruction manual on it. So what do we got here? A sticker. Oh, thank you. I will save this over here. And that really, oh, this thing is falling off. This is the power adapter. This is quite huge. Oh, it's slowly falling out. And yeah, you can see the seal on it. It's still brand new. This is brand new. And oh, this is the cube. Okay, we'll set this aside for a quick second. And now we get to the main context itself, the computer. So I'll tell you, this thing is, oh, okay, once you take it off, it's actually not too heavy. Or a little bit. It's in here. Here we go. The moment I've been waiting for a long time. Woo! Oh, damn. Okay, well, this is it. This is the Lenovo Legion 5, spec'd with 16 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of an SSD storage. This thing is quite big. Let's see, let me bring the other guy. So this is, I think it's actually, this is definitely diagonally bigger, but it weighs about the same. But wow, dude, holy crap, this looks so cool. So you got I think that's a USB-C port, headphone jack. On the side you have, oh, okay. I was reading rumors that this did not have an SD card reader, but it does. Oh, hold on, I didn't even notice. This is another sticker. I can put this on. I have some stickers in here too. I have that one and I also have this one here. I got that from helping my film teacher in high school, helping him set up some iMacs. And I put it on there because like they were blue Apple stickers, and you only see them with the iMacs. Oh damn! Oh, the fan. Back here, what do we got? More USB ports, HDMI port. I don't know what that. But oh, that back port must be the charging port. Back here, let me try it. Okay, I do believe that might be the port right there, and it is. Okay, so you charge this thing through the back. This one you charge it here inside this little hole. And damn, holy god, this is a lot bigger than I initially thought. But let's open it up. And whoo, look at that. Now that is some good shit right there. So this is the processors and the graphics we are working with. Look at the improvement compared to this. These are Intel graphics. I believe it's the Intel i5 from 2014. This computer came out last year. And oh, you got a little bit of what is this? Please remove. What's that? Oh, okay, that's a little sticker for the webcam. I'll peel it off later. But all right, let's set this thing back on the tripod so I can turn it on. All right, all the excitement. I was just kind of texting my friends because I was telling them that my package was being delayed, and I told them it finally arrived. I show them pictures. Okay, power button's in the middle, and look, it has its own numpad. This is f***ing amazing, dude. Holy cow. Let's see if... Alright, let's just power this bad boy on. Woo! Damn, that light up keyboard though. Damn. Oh, wow. Damn. Okay, from here, the screen... Oh, wow. That's a pretty sharp looking screen. Compared to my current one, you can... Okay, look, I'm gonna put them side by side. It might look a little off just because it's a camera, but okay. This right here, I can already see. This is a 1080p display. The viewing angle from here looks pretty good, but then look at here, and you can tell, at least from where I'm standing, I don't know if it's super apparent on the camera, but that's not a Retina display, and it's above 720p but below 1080p. Let me zoom it in real quick. Woo, okay, that is quite the ginormous screen. And I do believe this is running Windows 11. My current one couldn't run the Windows 11, but let's click yes. I'm gonna get this bad boy set up. I've never actually, is this the right keyboard layout or input method? Let me zoom in just a little bit more. There we go. US, yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout? What is add? Oh, no, go back. Well, we'll skip that. Skip that for now. I have to change the sensitivity of the track. Let's connect you to a network. And okay, so that back was an Ethernet port. All right, let me connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. So I tried to type the Wi-Fi password on the numpad thingy, but it just moves it down. Okay, so I gotta kind of figure out more of the function of the numpad, because to activate one on my computer, you have to hold on my other one you have to hold a certain key. I also bought this 128 gigabyte USB 3.0 flash drive to transfer my files. Most of my important files are like 20 gigs, and I got some other stuff I want to transfer. They don't exceed 120 gigs, so we good. Let's go next. This looks so cool, guys. Man, I'm glad I didn't have to wait till Black Friday. At least this computer, my current computer, gave me a message that said, you know what? I don't want you owning me anymore. Buy a new goddamn computer. And I finally did. You can from a distance, it kind of looks like it's an ordinary computer, but it is actually it's really good for gaming. So I've seen reviews on YouTube. I made sure to check the graphics, and this will run 1080p 60 FPS for GTA. And I also have more games that I have on my Steam library. I have Multiverses, Gang Beasts, and God, they run like crap on my current computer. So it should be much better here. And I also had this old train simulator game that I had years ago that I tried running on this computer, and it also sucked. So let's give it a shot, or let's try this computer out. It's taking a while, so let's sit back and relax while the magic happens. So I'm gonna set up my power cord here, and maybe, I don't know, I'll see how I'm gonna do the stickers. Okay, computer has restarted. Please review the license agreement. I don't need to read all that, I know it already. And okay, it's gonna take a little bit. I was literally doing chores, but now I'm so distracted by this because freaking hell. I gotta see how it fits on my desk. The size is so different. Like, let me put this one at least like diagonally here. It's quite different. Oh, okay, now it wants me to sign into my Microsoft account. So let me do that real quick. Okay then, it says your settings are synced to this PC. You'll get a chance to restore apps once you finish device setup. Okay, so it's actually letting me sync it. But it says it was last synced August 28th, so that's not good. Because I did make a decent amount of changes to my current computer since after that, so I actually have to figure out how to sync it. So let me figure that out real quick. Okay, so I don't know how you can actually sync it like manually yourself. I don't know why it does automatic, I don't get it. But let me try that, and then I'm gonna see. I have some stuff on my flash drive, at least from what I could update it. So let me do that and see what will happen. Location, okay. So I gotta scroll down in case it asks me if I want to. Okay, yes, we'll accept it. And I'm just trying to see. Okay, customize your experience. So gaming, school, and that's really about it. Just those two. Gaming and school is what I primarily use my computer for. I was like try to buy this one for, but it was a piece of crap. We're giving you a free trial of Microsoft 365. I'm good. I have Google Docs anyway. That's what I use, and I already paid for Google Store. Your device comes with free Xbox game. Oh, cool. I'll claim it. Maybe I could play some other games. I'll try it out. Because this is technically a gaming computer. Oh, what is... Okay. Looks like it just showed my credit card info. I'm going to blur that. Selecting start trial. You agree to the store. You charge $14.99. Okay. So, no, we're going to skip for now because it's a free trial. Protect my device. Okay. Yes. I will go ahead and click next. This device. Yes. So I think it's like a different sort of like settings with Lenovo. I'm not checking for updates. So this thing, oh, okay, and it's gonna restart. So, man, this feels so weird. I'm going from this piece of crap, and then let me try carrying this guy. Oh God, okay, this is more of a dinosaur. It's thinner, but diagonally, freaking hell, it's bigger diagonally, so that's why it feels heavier. Oh, okay. This might take a few minutes. Okay, the animation is a little new. I have never actually seen that. With Windows 10, it's just basic, the basic blue screen. But here you can see, it's like, it gives me like a PS2 vibes. My cousin used to have a PS2, and every time we see the intro, it's like it's giving me PS2 vibes. It's pretty badass. So let me wait for all this to, I've never used Windows 11, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. By the way, guys, the new Super Mario Bros. Movie trailer came out an hour ago, and I gotta say, it looks like a really good movie. It's coming out April 7th. My friend wants to watch it, and I'm down to go watch it with him. Day one. I will go on day one. This looks like a really good movie. Alright, so let me wait a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. And the computer is ready. So, some of my apps are there. Some of these are kind of old. I think they kind of sync with, like... Because I used to use Boot Camp on my old MacBook Air. I guess some of them sync through. I don't really need these two, so we're gonna drag these here, and let me drag these. Oh, deleted. Okay, I don't know what filming not exist. Okay, got it. I know that, and it looks okay. So it looks like the apps, yeah, they're not installed. So they're just there. I guess Microsoft Edge isn't installed. Isn't that literally? Oh, okay. Well, this is installed. Okay, thank you. No. I use Google Chrome. Come on. Okay. Alright, so... Oh, okay. These apps are downloading. I don't even... Drag these more. Oh, okay. Okay, well... That one is there. Sensitivity feels a little bit... Oh, okay. Don't show this reminder again because I know how the hell this works. Okay then. So... Yeah, I don't know why the apps show like this. Let me try it. If I click that, yeah. So none of these work. And what is this one? Yeah. And none of these work. So let me just delete them. I'll delete them off for a second. And I do believe this is Windows 11 Home, not Pro. Where's settings at? Okay, so you got the start. You have search. What is that? Task view. Widgets. Where's settings? I don't see settings. Let me search for it. Settings. The keyboard feels kind of weird. Unpin. Oh, pin to taskbar. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. And there's my stuff. Get even more out of Windows. I know how to use Windows. Thank you. Okay, let me switch this to dark mode. Oops, I did not press space. I am stupid. There's a Windows update needed. I'm gonna turn that on. Turn on dark mode system wide. So, okay, choose your color, dark, and, oh, it's a little, okay, there we go. That looks much better. Dark mode always looks better in every way. And I gotta say, this wallpaper is beautiful, man. It looks great. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing and a little setup of this computer. I'm actually going to just do this off camera, set up all my information just because it's quicker. But yeah, I'm so happy to finally have a better computer. I'm going to sell my current one on probably Mercury, because I'll try selling stuff on eBay. They're not really selling out right now. And on Mercury, I don't even know how you say it, but they're getting attention here, but so yeah, I might sell that one on this one. But yeah, so this is what I'll be making new videos on. Much faster, gaming will be great, and I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all my files now. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.